It all starts with the Missouri method. To tell us more, let's meet Rachel, a senior in Mizzou's world-renowned Missouri School of Journalism, who will share how the Missouri method sets Mizzou apart, inside the classroom and beyond. This is an active, hands-on approach to teaching and learning that gives students the experience they need for academic and career success. Rachel, that's your cue.
Thanks, Alex. Hey guys, 1908 was a very important year. That's when the Missouri School of Journalism was founded right here on Mizzou's campus. Since then, it's grown to become one of the top journalism programs in the country, emphasizing real-world, hands-on learning experience. We call it the Missouri Method, and I can't begin to tell you how it's made a big difference in my college career. Essentially, the Missouri Method means learning by doing, and today it permeates every academic discipline at Mizzou. Even as a freshman, you get to be right in the mix. You might manage an investment portfolio, work at one of our ad agencies, conduct a research experiment, or report on a breaking news story. That's what I do. As a broadcast journalism major, I've had the chance to work for an NBC affiliate TV station as a requirement for class. I've covered everything from a train derailment to elections, all before graduating from college. And I think that's what's so unique about Mizzou. You could sit in a lecture course and memorize information, or you could go out and do it, and that's made all the difference for me. I've learned lots of lessons outside the classroom as well. Being involved in multiple student organizations on campus has taught me how to be a leader, how to listen, how to problem solve, and how to be prepared, and so much more. If I had one piece of advice to give incoming freshmen, it would be this: embrace the Missouri Method and get involved on campus. I take pride in going here because I feel like I'm getting the most out of my college experience, and I'm walking away with amazing real-life skills that I can't get anywhere else. Learning by doing, that's the Tiger way. Back to you, Alex.
Thanks, Rachel. It's easy to see why Missouri is still known as the Show Me State with how integral the Missouri Method is to the academic and student experience at Mizzou. Tigers in nearly every degree program can try out their career, develop new skills, and gain key resume-building experience before they even graduate. Thanks, Rachel.